Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about exalted moon and debilitated moon. So basically, what exactly signifies moon? Moon is the karaka for mind. Moon is the karaka for expenditure. Moon is the karaka for blames, and moon represents uncontrollable changes. All right. So what exactly happens if at all you have a strong moon, and what exactly happens if at all you have a weaker moon? Let me tell you, moon represents mind. Moon represents loss. Moon represents expenditure. Moon represents blames. Moon represents adultery. Moon represents changes. Moon represents cold water, right? All these things, all the liquids and even the food industry, all these things comes under planet moon. So people with strong moon, these people can emerge as a great counselors. The reason being, these people have that stability of mindset. They can able to understand the people well, and at the same time, they can able to uh, get into the people's shoes, and they can able to understand and even able to solve the complex problems. A lot of people complicate their life because of so many thoughts, because of events, because of misunderstandings that happening in their families, as well as with their spouse, as well as with their co-workers, colleagues, and which creates a lot of chaos in the life. So people with strong mood, they can able to organize their life in a very proper manner. They can able to understand the person from their shoes, and then they can able to provide the justification pertaining to that complex problem. Pertaining to that complex problem, they can able to derive the solutions out of it. All right. So this decision making capability, these all these people with strong moon will be blessed with. Okay. And moon also represents blames, expenditure, losses. Moon also represents changes. When the moon is very strongly placed in the birth chart, then the person will be transforming himself in terms of his mindset. He can able to win his own mindset, which is very important for you to face the challenges. Some people can able to cope up with the challenges. Some people cannot able to cope up with the challenges, and this all happens if at all you have a strong moon in the birth chart. And most importantly, these people are very helpful and kind and soft-hearted people as well. These people, uh, you know, step forward to help themselves, and also, moon represents the elder sister. There will be a lot of support from the elder sister as well. Let's consider that this person having the weak moon or else a debilitated moon. Obviously, moon is exalted in Taurus zodiac sign, and moon gets debilitated in the Scorpio zodiac sign. So what happens if at all moon gets exalted and moon? And I have just told you about what happens if at all moon is placed strongly in your birth chart. So if at all moon is very weaker in the birth chart, these people will undergo blames. That is the first thing that I'll be noticing. These people will be blaming somebody for unnecessary, and they'll be having that misunderstanding nature. They always tend to misunderstand the things. And also, these people will be spending a lot. There'll be a lot of expenditure in this person's life. And the people with debilitated moon also undergoes cheating. These people undergo cheating. And also, people with debilitated moon also prone to psychological problems like depression, schizophrenia, as well as loneliness. All these things are the symbol or the sign of weak moon in the birth chart. And if at all you have weak moon, then this person also undergo business losses. All right. And also he will be cheated by his business partners, and all these things generally happens if at all he's having a weaker moon in the birth chart. And also, moon represents mind. Moon is the karaka for mind, right? So which represents your mental instability, right? So if at all you have a weaker moon, you'll be having a mental instability. All right. So this is just a short video I'd like to make for 4 to 4.5 minutes, talking about the exalted moon and debilitated moon. I've made more videos about pertaining to planet moon in my YouTube channel. Please do check those videos also and get the knowledge out of Vedic astrology. My objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology, and also I'm actually teaching you with concepts related to Vedic astrology in my videos. These videos are really helpful for you to understand the astrology in a totally different level. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. and I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart by devoting my precious time for at least 2 to 3 hours, and I can provide you the astrological predictions and also the report or analysis concerning to your individual birth chart. All right. So please book for an astrological consultation, and I'll see you in the consultation. Bye for now.